Like this. Like this. Go. So it's continue, right? Hold here, grab here, and push. So this is guard, right? So we're going from here, take down, bend. Okay, one more time. Hold it.
I
right?
wanna get that one.
No, this is okay. Just hold it. Snap it, and bend. One more time. Bend. Okay, try. Right? Snap. Good. Keep it high a little bit. This is good. Go. No. Snap. Give me your hand. Stay the guard. Snap. Right? Take guard down. Bend. Okay? Try. One more time. Okay, so that's good. Next. Stay there. So it's going for low kick, right? Usually when you go for low kick, he steps back. Right? So we have two moves. So don't worry for this. Put this down. So this is head, right? So going for low kick, you step back. Go low kick, and from here you come and kick. Okay? Ready? Hold it. From here. Kick. Okay? Right? Slowly. Again. Low kick. Okay. Next. When he stay in the guard, you go with cross, right? So go cross, you block. Sorry, I'm okay. And step back right away. Okay? So go, you block. Don't worry, one more time. Okay?
Step back.
Just hold it, hold it, hold it. So this is punch, this is kick. Okay? One more time. Just hold this, don't move. Just keep it like this, right? So you block, you don't move, right? So this is punch. You block from here, you kick it from here. Okay? Try.
Okay, can you do this one?
Again. Good, good. Okay, cut. Now come. Like that. Okay. I'm watching. Go. One more time. One more time. Jesus.